guys, so in this video I'm going to go over what I did in summary of adding the GSXR1000R brakes to this Gen 4 2011-15 ZX10R, and let's get to it. Alright, so this is the equipment that I removed and upgraded along the way. I have a 14mm stock OEM ZX10 Master. We have the 310mm OEM rotors. The bracket that didn't work with the reservoir. And the existing old Tatico calipers replaced with Brembo. New Brembo calipers were added. Brembo T-bolt rotors were purchased and added as well and installed. Is the traction control ring bolted up and cleared with no problem. I have ran this on a track day. Traction control was still functional, so no issue there. Master cylinder on the GSXR1000R is 19mm. This is the OEM master. Bolts on, no problem, fits correctly. Brembo relocation, bracket, and reservoir. This is required because of the new mounting on the Master. The way it's relocated is I found that this is required to use correctly or to mount it correctly and to get this secured. I used Vesra SRJL XX pads. Okay, so bolts are reusable. These are the OEM Kawasaki bolts. They are required to use with the Brembo rotors, and this 5mm spacer is required. Spacer is required because the new rotors are 320mm. The old ones were 310mm. So half of 10. The difference between them is 5mm, and that puts the spacing exactly as it should be on the new rotors. All right, so my thoughts on the upgrade. It totally changed the bike. I think that these upgrades, or this brake upgrade, is as good as the Flash is for power. This is on stopping. It totally changed the way the bike enters the corners, or the way I can enter the corners. The pads I put on are very linear. It's like if I need more stopping power, I just squeeze harder. There's no initial bite issue. It's a very linear pull. And another side benefit of the Brembo calipers, the OEM ones, is they actually release more, so the front tire is freer to turn. Overall, it's a very worth the upgrade. I love it. I mean, I'm just amazed at the difference it made.